Here we go, guys. We are now rolling up on Coulton Close and we'll find out what has happened. Oh, I think I guessed it right. Yep, I think I guessed it right. Knew it'd be this one. Yep, actually know the person who lives it.
It's Nick. Are you still coming to see me at 3:30 tomorrow?
Yes.
Yeah.
Right. I'm just covering the story.
That's fine.
Have you got any information on it for me?
No, I can't comment. It's an ongoing investigation.
Yeah. What has happened? I know it was a serious injury.
It's an ongoing investigation. You'd have to get from me.
Is the person okay?
Again, I can't comment.
Well, your media people won't speak to us.
You'll have to listen to them. I can't speak. It's an ongoing investigation.
Alright, can you get hold of your media team and get them to contact us?
I can't. No, you'll have to speak to 101.
101. Alright. Alright, guys. Well, we should just sit here and see if we can get any comment, because we will find out what's going on. I actually know the person that lives in this flat. Yeah. So I will put a link up to her Facebook page in the description. There we go, guys. Oh yes, it is the exact one. And I knew it would be this address as well. I knew it. As you can see, police are still sat here, refusing to comment as usual, but Wheels Media doesn't care about that, because we will just do an audit straight on it. They may say it's ongoing investigation, but I know this area very well. I actually know this flat very well as well. I have been inside it, so here we go, guys. This is the road. There is no cordon. I'm not breaking no laws. She has asked me if we're going to go see her tomorrow concerning an incident of malicious communication. So there we go. We have a detective here. So you can see they're getting the gloves out. Give you a good look at the back of the police car, see what they carry. Unusual one for us. Oh, they're getting evidence bag out. I'll tell you what we'll do, guys. We'll pop back around this corner and see what evidence they're trying to pick up. Because they are gone round here onto Newlands Avenue. And there's another officer just around this corner. You see, I'm actually using the road, guys. As we say, as the usual, no comment. But we will see what they're trying to find. I think they're trying to find a weapon. I will put up the name of the lady who has been arrested, because I do know who she is. So she will be going up. As you can see there, guys, CID right by the fence. So they're trying to find something. So there we go, guys. Hit that like, hit that subscribe, and hit that share button, guys. We will contact their media team and see if they're going to give us any comments about what is happening. But as you can see, that has been a serious incident there, and I do believe that that lady has probably stabbed somebody or something along them lines. I will link her Facebook when I find it on my Facebook. I will link it to Dad. Anyway, there you go, guys. I'm gonna turn off the recording now. And thank you for your time, and please like, subscribe and share.